Hi, David, they call me MacGyver. Today I'm going to show you how to change the license plate bulb on a Toyota Camry. Ours is a 2007, but a lot of the Toyota Camrys are the same, so the process will be similar. Hang tight, we'll get started. So as you can see, that light on the right is out, and I use my micro Leatherman tool, and you reach up and you slide underneath a little clip. Now you can use probably a putty knife or a little tiny screwdriver to do the same thing. I just find it easy with this micro. And it just slides under there and pops out. Then after you get it out, you just pull down on the lining there, and you can reach in and grab the socket, and you twist it counterclockwise, and it comes out. And then after you get it out, you pull the bulb out, and then you replace the bulb. Now I ended up getting LED bulbs. Got a whole pack of them because I've got other vehicles I'm going to use them on too. But it's almost as cheap as buying a bulb at the auto parts store. So these are the LED bulbs. They don't actually look like a bulb, but they are very bright. So you put it into the socket, and I had the power on so I could see if it was making contact. Then you can use that light to help you get it up into the hole. And then once you get it up in there, then you turn it clockwise and it snaps back into place. Now I went ahead and replaced this, and the light on the left side was so yellow or orangish looking that I ended up going ahead and replacing both sides. But you push the clips back in and then push the center in, and you get that first part lined up. Make sure it gets into the hole. After you get it into the hole, you push it up, get it up in there, and push the center. And the last one. That's why these others were pulled out, is because I did both sides. You can see the kind of yellowish orange color, and then this is what it looks like after I got done. Well, I hope that was some good information for you, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, and then every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. I will leave a link in the description where you can get those bulbs if you're interested. Again, thanks a lot for watching. You have a great day.